Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to stop Windows 10 Update 100%. Type services.msc in search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Double-click Windows Update. Select Startup Type as disabled. Click Stop. Click Apply, OK. Type Task Scheduler in search bar. Click Microsoft, Windows. Click Windows Update. Disable the task. Disable the task. Close the task scheduler. Now check the Windows Update. Windows Update is permanently disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.